Hey superstars, happy November. It's Magi Helena. Here's your astrological forecast for November 2022, including U.S. Thanksgiving and Black Friday weekend, using scientific multidimensional astrology. As a syndicated columnist, my Your Daily Astrology horoscopes have a readership in the millions. As an astrology pioneer, I brought complex astrology down to earth. My instant personal astrology calendars and love compatibility reports have now helped tens of thousands of people around the world get their personal right timing and understand their relationships. Please subscribe here on YouTube and then click that bell on the right so you'll know as soon as new astrology videos drop. Think of best and worst days like this. Better days equal better outcomes. Worst days equal worst outcomes. Simple, right? Now, I'm sure you're as tired as I am of hearing about worst days, but here's the thing you need to know. Initiating firsts, including a first meeting of a new person on a bad day, sets you up for failure. You're literally stepping in it, and it doesn't scrape off. Enough failures, and you're exhausted and set way back, if not completely destroyed. Knowing which days to avoid is the very first step to elevating your life. Pretty hard to be the boss when you've got mud or whatever it is all over your shoes. Also remember that for maximum help from the universe, you always need to combine your own personal, ever-changing cycles with the universal best and worst days that we're talking about in this video. Best days are the best available in the current month. They may be better or worse than best days in other months. Days which are neither best nor worst are days which have neutral or mixed energies. So, November's not a great month, and honestly, December's not looking great either. So how do you game this? Your main strategy during not great stars is to wait on big stuff. There's always plenty of small stuff you can do. Just don't do the things that are significant firsts. Firsts create ruling charts, which rule the relationship or situation for as long as you're in it. To see a list of actions which create firsts, click the link in the text under Show More. So, what can you do when the stars are not conducive to firsts? Everything that's not a significant first. Use less good times in the sky to do self-work and polish your projects and side gigs. So when you're ready and your work is really refined, when the right miracle jackpot stars come along. There just aren't that many truly amazing days in any year. If there were, and if more people knew how to identify them, there would be a lot more billionaires. They would all be gorgeous, and they would all be happily married to their soulmates. Timing impacts outcomes. Learn more about how to leverage your personal right timing with the links below. The first pair of worst days in November are deeply Saturnian, with both Sun and Mercury being flayed by Saturn in the geocentric declinations. Earth is conjunct and opposite the chaotic Saturn-Varuna midpoint. There are also financial heartbreak days. Please do not initiate any new relationship or new business dealings under these influences. We have a few bad days singletons, and then we roll into U.S. Thanksgiving weekend. Oh boy. Thanksgiving dinner, day of mourning for indigenous peoples, and Black Friday all under really bad stars. I'm no history denier, so a holiday that used to be my favorite is now complicated and bittersweet and embraces tragedy right alongside gratitude. Kind of like life, I guess. Sorry, but as someone with just a little bit of indigenous blood, I can't not name the elephant in the room. Anyway, back to the stars. This 4-day run of star garbage has many of the worst cosmic monsters grinning at you from the storm drain under the sidewalk. Heartbreak, critical error, ill health, toxic power plays, you name it. Please do your best to stay centered, go along and get along. This is not the holiday to come out to your family. Bad stars mean that people are unlikely to be receptive and may not even be at all kind. Save a big announcement for a holiday when the stars are empathetic and supportive. Most of the best days in November are singletons, but we do get a pair of pretty nice days near month end. During these days, there are enhancements to Sun and or Earth from Pluto, Odin, and Chiron, as well as from some pretty heavy hitter midpoints, and there are also some big significant geometries. All this points to cosmic support for many parts of life: love, career, money matters, spiritual practice, and self-work. Let bad days slide on by you. Start nothing, meet no one new. And when the bad days are over, they're over. And when you decide to finally get serious about results, Get serious about your timing. Get DIY info for calculating your personal transits and get a coupon. Click Show More. If you like this video, please click like. Thank you. If there's someone you know that should see this video, please share it with them. Remember, subscribe on YouTube for more astrology videos. And please come visit me on MagiHelena.com. That's still the right address. Grow and evolve. Get your timing right and understand your relationships. Get there now. Text astrology to 51555. Remember, timing really is just about everything. Here's wishing you a truly wonderful November.